What is good, everybody? Welcome to Beige Calisthenic channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the fundamental exercise of calisthenic. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Yeah, you ready? Let's go. So boom. First you should know about what is calisthenic. Okay, calisthenic is a bodyweight exercise, consists of 5 movement pattern. Number 1 is like pushing, pulling, hinging, squat and twisting. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you these 5 patterns. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Jump into the push, my friend. So this is the incline push. Okay, so this is push but incline. Go down and up. Okay, the next one is decline push. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This one is a push, which is a regular dips. Okay, the next one is vertical push. Okay, it's still the push. We're gonna do in a vertical style, which is 5 push-ups. Here. One is regular push. Okay, all you do is on the floor, not decline, not incline, not vertical. It's just here. You're gonna go down, up. Okay, the next movement pattern is the pull. Okay, we're gonna start with this one, with pull up. Grab it here. Here, down. Okay, the second one is horizontal pull. Okay, so what you're gonna go grab something like this in neutral grip. Bring your hands, bring your legs over here on the wall, and then from here I want you to just focus on bringing your elbow. Boom, boom. Okay, so this is another variation of the row. Your elbow right to your rib cage. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and the next one, the fourth one is the neutral grip LC pull up. Here, go down, bring yourself up. Next movement, the third movement pattern is the lower body squat. First one, legs wide. Here's that, knees push, chest up, down and up. Here you go. Best you got it in, buddy. Down, up, down, up. Exhale. Okay, the second pattern, the third pattern, second move is pistol squat. It's the same as a squat, but you do on one leg. Okay? If you're good at squat, you can do pistol squat. So this is all calisthenic, okay? Especially the fundamentals. So there's an option for that too. You can do that too. Down and up, bring the whole weight in here, or without that. Down and up, down and up. Okay, the third one, lunges wide to the back, heels up, hips forward, down. 1, 2, down and up. It's another one of lower body. Okay, everybody, now we move into the hinge. So grab the pull up, jump over, grab it tight, bring your legs all the way up, and then down. All the way up and down. Hinge. You can do it here too, my friend. Down and up. Make sure to keep your legs straight. Block your core. Tuck your chin in. Flex your leg. There you go. Flex your bicep too. Last one. Here. Shoulder lock. Hands here. Bring it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So single leg hinge. Okay, but now we move into the twist. Okay, I want you to bring your elbow under your shoulder, leg straight, belly in, and then twist your hips. Okay, twist your hips. Twist pattern. Okay, you're gonna go side plank and twist your arm, twist your body to the back. Boom. 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 Same thing, we're going on the other side. Twisting. Whole body. Oh, I feel it. Twist your body. Just like this. Move it, move it, move it. Viper. Twist. Twist. So okay my friend, this was the video. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope I can show you the picture of how it looks like to do calisthenic. I hope you got something out of this video, and in the next upcoming videos I'm going to show you, I'm going to break down each exercise, and I'm going to show you the mistake and how you can do it better, and then the skills and all of these things. Okay, so make sure stay here, stay with me, because it is coming my friend. Now put your phone down and go try.